everybody, sorry it's not Monday, it's Tuesday that I'm doing this video. This is the dividers for the recipe box that I made last time. So there it is. There are dividers inside. I'll show you what they look like. This is what I've done so far. This is using the card kit from Leslie's Crafts, Retro Kitchen, which is this month's. They're the blank cards ready. So this is using the monthly kit. Like I say on the other videos, if you go to the unboxing on my channel or just go over to Leslie Bromfield's channel, you'll find all the information that you need to know there. It's called Leslie's Crafts, the selling pages on Facebook. Right, let's get on with it. So for the dividers, you cut your card 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches by 1, 2, 3, 3 3/4. Right, now you need your punch board. If you were doing, let's take them out so it's easier. Right, if you are doing my left side, this one, you would punch at 2 inches. If you're doing the middle notch, I'll show you now, you punch at 1.5 and 3.5, and that gives you that. You just trim them off. Can use your paper trimmer, of course. You'll get better results using your paper trimmer. Yeah, you will get better results. I've used my paper trimmer on the other, so just trim the tabs off, and that makes your middle. For my right side, you punch at 3 inches. So let's say that again. For this one, the left side, you punch at 2 inches. For the middle tab, you punch at 1.5 inch, then scoot it over to 3.5 inches and punch again. For the right tag, you punch at 3 inches. And that is basically how you make the cards, the divider cards. Now, these are what are used, the record cards. It's a record card holder. And these are the cards. And these are from Home and Bargain. And they're 49p for 100. Let me just go and get some that I've wrote out, because everything's getting transferred into here from the recipes. Right. So take this recipe, for example, the one fruit, the easy one fruit cake. So I know what that means. It's just the mixture. The recipe is for any fruit that you need, that you want it, like a cherry cake, a raspberry cake. That's the idea behind that. So what I'm going to do is, because it's gone on to 2 cards, because the longer recipes are going to do that. Now you can either sellotape it. I'm going to do it the other side first. Now you can either sellotape it, or you can washi tape it. It's entirely up to you. Oh, a bit tough. And because you've got the lines on there, it's quite easy to get straight. I'm going to washi tape that. Now, as we know, sometimes with washi tape, it isn't the strongest adhesive in the world, because it is repositional. You can reposition it even. So that, you should leave it at that. It must be folded that way. And you can see it, you can pop it out, and there you go. And it's done with the washi tape. Or if you want it more secure, which I'd prefer, I'm going to put a strip at the front as well, because it's still going to bend on you. You still get it to bend. There, it still bends. The only trouble is the washi tape going to unstick. Yeah, it probably is actually at the top. Yeah. We'll leave it at that then. There. So we're going to leave it at that. So there's your cards attached. And just flip down, turn it around. You can do that again if you've got another one. You can just keep attaching them as according, you know, do it accordingly. So that will go in. That will go in cakes. That one. So I'm going to pop that one in cakes. What's this? This is Jam Footprints, and I've only had to use one for that. I can manage to squeeze it all in on one. So Jam Thumbprints will go into biscuits, because like I say, this is going to be used. So I've done all my sweet stuff so far. So I've done, I don't know if you can see it, but like my sweet pastry, my biscuits, my sweet sauces, and like my Kool-Aids and all that sort of stuff. Then cakes, tray bakes, and then I've started on my savoury stuff. So I've got my crock pot recipes, I've got my seasons and my rubs, like your barbecue seasonings that you make up yourself, your fajitas, so anything like that will go in there. And then I'll have chicken, beef, pork. I won't have anything for fish or seafood, because I don't actually cook really fish or seafood, so I won't do any recipes for them. I buy if I have to, because like I say, I don't eat it myself, so I will buy in something, a meal, but I won't actually cook it myself. And with growing your own fruit and veg as well, it's nice because you know where your own fruit and veg come from even, and I think you take a bit extra pride, don't you, in your cooking as well, if you've grown, say, your own herbs or your own veg or your own fruit. Maybe I'm waffling, but I like to do that, and then I know where it's all coming from. But each to their own. Not everybody's got the time to grow their own vegetables, have they, and fruit, and not everybody likes doing that sort of stuff, let's be honest. But anyway, I've totally gone on a tangent there. I'm on about this. So that's how easy it is to make your dividers. Like I said, I've used the Retro Kitchen to decorate the dividers. And I've done them really simple. And the reason I've done them really simple is, one, I don't want them to catch when I lift them out and get stuck on things. I want them to just lift out and not get stuck. And two, I don't want too much bulk in there, because I will have, this will be full. This will be absolutely chock about time. I've transferred everything onto these cards. So the more bulk you have on these, the less space you're going to have for your record cards. But these are pretty thin anyway, so you know, you can cram quite a lot on there. So that was just another project idea to do with the card kits. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.